Hello, I'm Chris with Simply NUC, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or install your SSD on a brand new Scorpion Canyon, or as it's also known, a NUC 14 Performance. Let's get started. What you're going to need is SSD to install and a screwdriver, and that's it. Also note that I'm wearing an anti-static smock and wrist strap because you always want to be ESD safe when you're working with open circuitry. So the first thing you want to do is open the unit. You'll notice there's a latch on the back here. You just pull that latch, the top slides right off. All right, and then there's just one screw on the back here, right there. Just undo that. Doesn't take a lot. It's a small screw. Once you have that, we'll set that to the side. So now we have our unit open, and there's 3 NVMe slots. There's one here, and then there's one here that goes over top of the Wi-Fi card. Now what's great about this unit is that it's completely toolless. So you just have to flip the switch back here, insert the SSD card like that. You pop the switch down like that. You do the same thing for the second one. Slide it in like this, put it down, and then you just pop the clip over top of it. The third one's a little bit different. Put the card in, down, and then you slide this blue switch all the way over. And that's it. You've just installed 3 SSD into your brand new unit. Now each one of these NVMe's can handle up to 8 terabytes of storage for a total of 24 possible terabytes of storage that you can have. And that is how you install or upgrade your SSD in a Scorpion Canyon or NUC 14 Performance. Thank you.